Nalilito ka ba dahil ikaw ay magpaparanking sa DepEd at hindi mo alam kung ano ang iyong gagawin? So, eto yung mga procedures at steps na dapat mong sundin. We have here the DepEd Teacher 1 ranking procedure for 2025. So, umpisahan na natin, of course, kapag ikaw ay magpaparanking sa DepEd, eto yung policy na dapat mong i-review, dapat mong buksan in order for you to be aware kung ano yung mga steps, kung ano yung mga procedures sa DepEd ranking. So, we have here the DepEd Order number 7 or number 007 series of 2023 as main guideline. So, you have here the guidelines na dito mo pwedeng makita or kung may mga katanungan ka, dito mo yan makikita sa DepEd Order number 07 or number 7 series of 2023 at of course Division Merit Selection Plan per Division Order 19 series of 2022. Okay? So, pwede mo yung buksan, i-search mo lang sa internet. Next. Of course, the next step that you're going to do is to prepare your documents. Kapag nag-prepare ka ng documents, kinakailangan mo na i-prepare yung PDS mo kasi kinakailangan talaga na i-submit mo yan. Okay? Kasi nakalagay dyan yung mga important information na patungkol sa'yo. And we have the TOR. So, kinakailangan din na kunin mo yung TOR mo sa kung saan ka graduate, the PRC ID, and the LET rating. So, dapat nakalagay kasi doon kung ilan yung rating mo kasi yung iyong rating kasama doon sa computation ng iyong score. And we have the certificates of training kung meron kang NC2, NC3. Okay, so isama mo na din yan, i-prepare mo na din yan. And we have the service record, kung if applicable, kung merong service record. Okay? But before that, everyone, before kayo mag-submit ng application is you need to tingnan mo muna sa mga site or di kaya sa mga pages ng inyong division ng DepEd kung may ranking ba or kung mag-hire ba sila. After that, nalaman mo may hiring is of course we have to submit the application. So, submit to SDO or designated school. Nakadepende yan sa instruction sa memo kung saan ka magsasubmit. Okay? So, follow division submission rules kasi may mga deadlines kung kailan yan. Okay? Kung saan. And get unique applicant number if applicable. Next is the screening and evaluation. So, the HR MPSB check documents or checks the documents. So, they are going to check kung ano yung laman ng iyong folder. And of course, the criteria is we have the education, training, experience, LET rating. Yun. So, importante yon. And of course, we have the demo teaching, the teacher reflection form, and the interview. So, we have the demo teaching. So, of course, for the demo teaching, everyone is magde-demo ka dyan sa harapan and merong mga panel or merong mga nag-o-observe sa'yo. And after that, minsan merong mga panel na i-interviewin ka pagkatapos mong mag-demo. Ayan. So, of course, English Proficiency Test, kung if applicable naman, pero parang ngayon, hindi na yan or wala na yung English Proficiency Test. And we have the scoring. So, applicants rank based on weighted criteria and compilation of points. Okay? Next. We have posting of RQA. Of course, pagkatapos na meron ka na natapos na yung evaluation, is i-compute na nila yung iyong scores. And after that, is posting of RQA. Doon na nila ipopost. Like for example, sa kanilang Facebook page or sa site nila, ipopost nila yung iyong RQA kung nakapasa ka ba o nakapasok ka sa RQA. I-check mo lang yun. Okay, division post registry of qualified applicants and tentative list open for correction. So, yung first muna na ipopost nila is pwede mo pa silang i-correct. Which is, kapag may mali doon sa pinost nilang score mo o di kaya yung pangalan, is pwede mo yung puntahan doon sa division office na yun ng DepEd and i-correct mo lang. So, magdala ka lang ng mga important na mga documents. And we have the appointment, of course, a background check if required, issuance of appointment for available items. So here, kapag sure na, or kapag nakuha ka na, na-hire ka na ng DepEd is, of course, we have there the appointment. Ayan. And of course, deployment, which is assigned to school and report for orientation and onboarding. So, dito, of course, congratulations kapag na-hire ka na is i-assign ka na sa kung saang school ka magtuturo. So, ayan. So, that's all about the DepEd ranking procedures and steps para hindi kayo mahirapan. So, good luck everyone. Sana ay pala rin. And kung nakatulong sa yung video na ito, please subscribe sa ating YouTube channel at pakishare na din or at pakicomment kung meron kayong mga katanungan. So, that's all for today everyone. Goodbye and God bless.